Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. So today, me I gonna make some authentic Jamaican rice and peas in my kitchen using the coconut milk from scratch. You know, anything from scratch is shell. So if you want to learn the authentic traditional way my grandmother and my mother teach me, stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go cook up some authentic food in my kitchen. Let's go. So this is all the ingredients that I will be using to make my authentic Jamaican rice and peas with my homemade coconut milk. All right. Over here, so I have some nice basmati rice. I'm using me 3 cups of basmati rice. You could use whichever rice you have. You don't have to use this one, but if you have it, go ahead and use it. All right. Here some of me 1 cups of red kidney beans. Cannot get any better than this, y'all. This is the season I'm gonna use for season it up. So I'm gonna have some all-purpose seasoning. You know, see a food have flavor. Alright? I'm gonna use a little bit of that. Here some I have some pimento seed. Over here some I have some salt. You know, salt give your pot a little taste. So I'm gonna add a little salt too. Over here some I have all of the season them now. To season up the pot. Here so I have a piece of butter. A stick of butter. I'm going to use a piece of it. Here some I have 5 cloves of garlic. I have my bad boy of the day, my scotch bonnet pepper. I have some fresh thyme. Take a closer look. Fresh thyme. And I got my scallion. And last but not least, I have my coconut. This is the real deal. When I talk about authentic food, you cook it from scratch. I'm going to use my coconut. How mommy, my grandmother, my auntie them used to make it back in the days when I was growing up as a little girl. Alright? So, if you want to learn how to make the authentic Jamaican rice and peas made with coconut milk, the coconut from the tree, the scratch, stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit that like button and let's go make some authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Let's go. Now first, guys, what we are going to do, we are going to wash the peas. Alright, and there you have it. My peas is well washed and clean. See, guys, wash and clean. And it's looking oh so good. So what we are going to do now, we are going to move on to the next step. So let's go. First thing you are going to do, add your peas to your pot. Right? So what we are going to do next, we want to cook with peas nice and good. So this is the way you go to do that. You're going to add some pimento to your pot. Alright, you know, this give it that nice smell and taste and all of that. And also we're going to add our cloves of garlic to that. So let's throw it like that. Up next, we're going to cover this up and we're going to cook our peas for like an hour and change. We're going to make sure the peas is soft and tender. So see you guys back in like an hour or so. See you guys back soon. So to make your coconut milk from scratch using your coconut, you are going to want all these utensils here that you see. Now I am going to use my blender. This is what I'm going to use to blend it up. You're going to want your strainer to strain the coconut milk from the trash. And you're going to want one bowl with the milk I go in. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just ox out the coconut with my knife. Alright, so stay tuned for that. I am all finished, and look at that. See, this is what your coconut should look like after you get it out of the trash. See, it took me a minute, but it was successful. All right, there it is. So let's move on to the next process. Now guys, I'm gonna wash this. All right, and we are all finished. Look how clean and nice my coconut looks. All right, ready to move on to the next process. So let's go. So now we are going to blend it up. So we're going to drop it like that in the blender. Just a little for now. Up next, we're going to add some water. Add water so your coconut is well covered. Put on your lid. And now I'm going to throw this in it, just like so. Squeeze it down like this. And this is what the remainder will look like. Back in the days, I would eat this with some brown sugar. This is the trash of the coconut. See how that looks? All of the juice is all squeezed out, and this is what left. See that? We don't need this, so we're gonna discard this in our garbage. We are all finished, and this is how my coconut milk looks like after it is blended and strained. When I say this looks so creamy and nice, mark my word, this is super creamy. I just love the difference how the real coconut give my rice and peas or whatever you're putting your coconut milk in. All right, we are officially back to check on our peas. And to the looks of it, my peas doesn't look like it is cooked. Let me show you. It's still hard. It is still hard, guys. See that? Alright, it needs more time to cook. But it also needs some water. Then we're going to cover the bad boy up. The next check we're going to check on our peas, that is when the peas is all finished, tender and looking good. So see you guys back probably like the next hour or so. This peas is hard, so I'm going to give it more time to cook. If you want to pressure it, it's up to you. But this is how I'm going to cook it. So see you guys back soon. And we are back. Let's check on our bad boy and see how he is doing. All right, want to make sure our peas is cooked, so let me give it a try. And it is all tender and looking good. Look at that. Ready. See that, guys? It is ready. So the next step that we are going to get into is we are going to add our coconut cream. And look how creamy and texturized this look, guys. You cannot get anything better than this. Meanwhile, the coconut milk are going with itself in the pot. What me I do so right now is beating up my scallion. We want to beat up the scallion so we get all that flavor from the herbs and everything here. So in the pot. Remember, your pot must have flavor and taste good. Now over here, so now we are going to add some of our seasoning to this little bowl right here. Let me put it right here so you guys could see. So I'm adding me half tablespoon. So this is basically 1 tablespoon of all-purpose, half tablespoon of black pepper, and just a pinch of the salt. That is good. These are all my ingredients that I am going to add to my pot. So over here, I'm adding my thyme, scallion, my seasoning, all of it. Give it a stir. So the pepper now, guys, I'm gonna just push the knife through it, get all that flavor out into our pot. Remember, this your kitchen here full of flavor. All right, and just drop your bad boy in there like so. Add in my butter, and just the butter is going to melt. Okay, so just mix it up. So we are gonna cover this and we are gonna come back like 20 to 25 minutes. So see you soon. So right here, so now we are gonna wash the rice. Want to make sure so we get all that starch get off of the rice. All right, we are finished, and look at my rice, looking well cleaned and ready to go in. All of that niceness over there. So let's move on to the other process. Let's go. And we are back. Look at all of that niceness. OMG, give it a little stir. Wow, this looks and smells so good. Now let's give it a taste test, guys. Flavorful. That's the #1 key in this kitchen. Flavorful. You could taste the little spice of the hot Scotch bonnet. Yes, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to go in with our rice. Alright, so my rice is added to the pot. So as you can see, it has a lot of water. So what me I going to do now, me I going to take out some of the water so the rice don't get spoiled. That's the key right there. We don't want to use a lot of water. Please make sure you turn down your stove, or we don't want to burn up the rice. We are going to steam the rice now. Give it a stir. See? Now that you can see. Alright. No more water to come out because it's going to cook down good now. As long as you can see the peas and the rice swimming on top, you're good. Alright? See? Perfect. Alright, so turn down your stove on low and let that bad boy cook. See you guys soon. Wow, look at all of that niceness, yo. This is a must-try recipe in your kitchen. Look how the rice and peas look already, and it is not even finished. Looking shelly and have a buzz. Cover this up and let my bad boy steam down. And my authentic Jamaican rice and peas is all finished, and it's ready for me to show you guys the entire finished product. Ooh la la, look at that. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take away the bad boy, put him aside. Look how shelly my rice and peas is. Cannot get enough of that. So you just want to just take away your time. Make sure say all of the time come out tight. Yeah? I want to swallow no stick. Alright? And there you have it, my authentic Jamaican rice and peas using the coconut milk made from scratch. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Tell me in the comment section what you like most about this recipe, and tell me if you tried it in your kitchen. Stay tuned, more videos are coming up, and see you guys soon. Bye for now, guys.